For these last four problems, 12, 13, 14, and 15, these are situational probabilities, so we don't have a two-way table or a Venn diagram to work on. So I do have my Dyson card sheet out just in case I need to reference this. So looking at number 12, it says, what's the probability of rolling an even number on a six-sided die? All right, so a six-sided normal dice is going to have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Of those numbers, we want to figure out how many of these are even. Those are our favorable events. Numbers 2, 4, and 6 are even. So that is 3 out of the 6 possible choices. 3 out of 6 does simplify to 1/2, which could also be written as 0.5 or 50%. Again, you can use any of those answer choices, a simplified fraction. So we do want you to simplify it to 1/2, 0.5, or 50%. Any of your choosing there. Number 13 says, what is the probability of drawing a spade from a deck of cards? Remember, you are going to have your deck of card sheet, so you don't need to memorize a deck of cards. And we're looking for a spade. So if we look at our deck of cards, we know that we have a total of 52 cards, and our spades are right here on the second row. Here are all of our spades. So we need to know how many total spades we have. We can count, or that information can be found right beside it. We have 13 spades. So this probability, since we have 13 spades, it would be 13 out of a total of 52 cards. That can be simplified, so we do want to simplify it, to 1/4. From there, it can also be simplified to 0.25 or 25%. Number 14 asks, what is the probability of picking a chocolate donut from a box with 3 chocolate, 4 strawberry, 1 blueberry, and 4 glazed donuts? So when we're looking at this, we are looking for the probability of picking these things. So we want to count up the total number of donuts that we have here. So our total is going to be how many of these? So we're going to add 3, 4, 1, and 4. That gives us a total of 12 donuts. And since we're trying to find the probability of a chocolate donut, we have 3 chocolate. So our probability is going to be 3 out of 12. 3 possible chocolate donuts out of 12 total donuts. This does simplify to 1/4, which can be written as 0.25 or 25%. And then our last one says, what's the probability of flipping a coin and landing on tails? All right, landing on tails for a coin. A coin has 2 options. We can either land on heads or we can land on tails. Those are our 2 options here. So if we're landing on tails, that is one of our 2 options. We're only flipping 1 coin. So it's just going to be 1/2, 1 out of 2. That doesn't simplify any further, but we can rewrite that as a decimal to be 0.5 or 50%. If you've got any questions, let us know or check out some of the other videos.